Success on Facebook Marketplace depends heavily on two critical factors: high quality product photos and strategic pricing. These elements can make the difference between a quick sale and a listing that sits unsold for weeks. Let's start with photo requirements. Facebook Marketplace has specific technical standards that directly impact your listing's visibility and appeal. The minimum resolution requirement is 720p, which means 1280 by 720 pixels. However, higher resolutions perform significantly better in attracting buyer attention. The optimal format is square, with a 1:1 aspect ratio. This format displays best in Facebook's feed and gets maximum visibility in search results. Beyond technical requirements, photo quality is crucial. Your primary photo should show the entire product against a clean, neutral background. This creates a professional appearance that builds buyer trust. Good lighting is absolutely critical. Natural lighting or well-lit indoor shots perform significantly better than dark or poorly lit photos. Professional-looking photos can increase your selling price by up to 40%. Now let's explore pricing strategies. Facebook's AI has revolutionized how sellers can price their items effectively using market data and buyer psychology. Facebook's AI now suggests price ranges based on similar local listings. This feature analyzes comparable items in your area and provides data-driven pricing recommendations to help you price competitively. One of the most powerful pricing psychology techniques is odd number pricing. Setting your price at $49 instead of $50 can increase click-through rates by 15%. This small change triggers a psychological response that makes the price seem significantly lower. Including the original retail price creates perceived value for buyers. When customers see that an item originally cost $200 and you're selling it for $120, they immediately understand they're getting a good deal. This transparency builds trust and can justify higher selling prices. Remember, listings with high-quality photos receive 40% more inquiries, while competitive pricing within 10% of market average gets significantly more views. These optimization strategies work together to maximize your success on Facebook Marketplace. Facebook Marketplace offers multiple delivery options and a streamlined posting process. Understanding these options will help you reach more buyers and complete successful transactions. Facebook Marketplace provides 4 main delivery options to suit different seller and buyer preferences. Local pickup remains the most popular option, allowing face-to-face transactions and cash payments. This method gives both parties the chance to inspect items before completing the sale. Facebook Shipping integrates with major carriers to provide tracking and buyer protection. This option expands your potential customer base beyond your local area. Local delivery allows sellers to manage their own delivery within a specified radius. This works well for larger items that buyers cannot easily transport. Meeting in public places provides a safe alternative for both parties. Many police stations now offer designated safe exchange zones for online transactions. When setting up your listing, you can choose which delivery methods to offer. The platform makes it easy to configure shipping options and set delivery preferences. The posting process on Facebook Marketplace is straightforward and user-friendly. You can access Marketplace through the Facebook app or desktop website. Step 1. Access Marketplace from the left sidebar menu on desktop or through the dedicated Marketplace tab in the mobile app. Step 2. Click or tap Create New Listing or Sell Something to begin the posting process. Step 3. Select the most appropriate category for your item from over 20 main categories with subcategories. Step 4. Upload 3 to 10 high-quality photos showing your item from multiple angles. The first photo should show the entire product clearly. Step 5. Write a detailed description including relevant keywords, condition, dimensions, and any important features or flaws. Step 6. Set your price using Facebook's suggested pricing based on similar listings, or enter your own custom amount. Step 7. Set your pickup location and delivery radius, then select which delivery methods you want to offer to potential buyers. Step 8. Review all your information carefully, then publish your listing. Your item will appear in Marketplace searches within minutes. Facebook continues to improve the Marketplace experience with enhanced shipping options, better integration with carriers, and new safety features to protect both buyers and sellers. By understanding the available delivery options and following the systematic posting process, you can create effective listings that attract buyers and lead to successful transactions on Facebook Marketplace.